we have to do division, decimal numbers. How we do this? First, we have to check our divisor. Our divisor must be whole number. In this example, we have decimal numbers. So let me copy our example. We have 0, decimal point 29. I will need extra space because we need to move decimal point in our divisor to the right. So let me copy. And whatever I did with our divisor, I have to do the same with our dividend. So I need to move 1, 2, 3, 4 times decimal points. So we will have at the end, whatever I did with our divisor, like I said, we have to do the same with our dividend. So I need to move the decimal point 4 digits, 3, 4. And what else? Every empty space I will have to fill by zeros. And now we have 2900 decimal point divided by, I don't have to write the zeros because for 78 because it's still 78 only, whole number. And at the end we have decimal point. When we do long division, we don't need decimal point in our divisor, in our dividend. Oh, yes. So let me set our long division. We have 78 and our dividend is 2900 decimal point. What else? Because we need to run to nearest thousandth. So I need to have 4 digits after decimal point. So I will add 4 zeros. I can always add zeros after decimal point because it doesn't change the value of our number. And why 4 digits? Because thousandth is on the 3rd digit, because 10th, 100th, thousandth is 3rd digit, and we need 1 extra digits to do rounding. So let's do this. How many times 78 goes to 293? And 3 times 78 is 234. Again, subtraction. We do this long division like we do long division for whole numbers. The same way, we have to only take decimal point to the top to our solution, exactly in the same column. So now subtraction. 0 minus 4 we cannot do, so we borrow 1 from 9, so it will be 8, and at the end we have 10. 10 minus 4 is 6, 8 minus 3 is 5, 2 minus 2 is 0, we don't have to write. What next? We have to take down next 0. So we have 560 divided by 78, so it will be 7. 7 times 78 is 546. And now we have to do subtraction. 0 minus 6, we have to borrow 1 from 6, so it will be 5 now, and 10 at the end. 10 minus 6 is 4, 5 minus 4 is 1, 5 minus 5 is 0, we don't have to write. What next? We have to take up decimal point exactly in the same column, and next digits we take down. So we have 140 divided now by 78 is 1. 1 times 78 is 78. Subtraction again. So we borrow 1 from 4. So it will be 3. And at the end we will have 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. 13 minus 7 is 6. So what next? We have to take down next digit. So we have 620 divided by 78 is 7. 7 times 78 is 546. Subtraction again. So we have, again, we have to borrow 1 from 2. So will be 1 and 10 at the end. 10 minus 6 is 4. 1 minus 4 we cannot do, so you borrow 1 from 6, so it will be 5, and we have 11 minus 4 is 7. 5 minus 5 is 0, we don't have to write. What next? We have to take down next 0. So we have 740 divided by 78. It will be 9. 9 times 78 is 702. And again, we have to do subtraction. We will borrow 1 from 4, so it will be 3. And 10 at the end we will have now. 10 minus 2 is 8. 3 minus 0 is 3. 7 minus 7 is 0. We don't have to write. What next? We have to take down next 0. And we have 380 divided by 78. 4. And now multiplication. 4 times 78 is 312. Subtraction again. We have from 8 we borrow 1, so it will be 7, and the end will be 10 minus 2 is 8. 7 minus 1 is 6. And at that moment we can stop long division. We didn't finish long division, but we need to round our solution to the nearest thousandth, like I said, so we need 4 digits after decimal point. And this moment we have 4 digits, so we can stop long division. We got 37 decimal point 1794. We need to round to nearest thousandths, so we have to check. We have to underline thousandth is third digit from decimal point to the right, and we check the digits after our underlined digits is 4. When we have number less than 5, what we have to do? Nothing. We have to just change every digit after our underlined digits to 0, and the rest we copy. So we have 0971 decimal point 73. So our solution will be 37 decimal point 179.